Hi guys, so today is Christmas Day. Okay then. Anyway, so Merry Christmas to all of you who celebrates Christmas. So this is gonna be the very first Christmas that I will be spending away from my family, but it is what it is. The plan for today is to visit a hot spring and just chill. I'll be spending the night, so let's see how that goes. One thing that I don't like with Japan is the fact that I have to walk. Everywhere I'm going, I have to walk. I'm tired. Tired of walking now. Jeez. Anyways, oh, I got this hat from someone, a Japanese person gave it to me because I wouldn't have purchased this. No, I'm not that into Christmas like that. Alright, after 1 million hours of traveling on the train, we finally reached, almost reached the place. This is called Onsen, right?
Onsen, yes. Okay. Hot spring. For those of us who were like me who didn't know.
So we have to take our entire clothes to go in the water. So yeah, completely naked. We checked into the onsen, we changed our clothes, and now we're just gonna tour the facility. Do you know the name of this game? Because I don't know. Pretty much walking, we're trying to find the water section because this place is huge, but I am liking my outfit. Fiona over here eating octopus.
Japanese people need to come to my Fiona's cooking school.
Why?
Because the food not a flavor. I just salt, the sea salt, and maybe some black pepper. No flavor. No.
The only thing I'm having is this orange, no, mango, yan, and orange. It's an alcoholic drink. Yeah, because I don't feel hungry, so, and there's nothing in here that I want to eat. So I'm still in the outfit. It's called yukata, yes, I think yukata. Anyway, so I have on slippers, because I'm in the bathroom. So only in the bathroom they are allowed shoes, and they provide you with the shoes. So no socks, no slippers, nothing, just you're so barefoot. You have to be walking up and down. But the place is very clean, so I don't have an issue with it. But anyways, we are going to go sleep. We're not really sleep, but just chill. So it's about after 10 now. We're going to the sofa room. That's where we'll be sleeping. Yeah, so we're sleeping in the sofa room. It's pretty much a room full of sofas. So I'll be sleeping with a lot of strangers. It's just like individual sofas. So yeah, I can't be loud in the room, so I'm gonna be recording it, but I don't think I'll be able to say much. This is the morning after, and we are heading home. Yeah, so we could not record in the sauna because, well, there was a sauna, there was a steam room, many jacuzzis, and
many hairy vaginas.
and many forests. Yeah, but it was a nice experience. Yeah, I think I'll come back here. So that's it for this vlog. So anyways, bye guys, thanks for watching.